Hello colleagues, I'd like to introduce you to an add-on called Orange Slice. It is a rubric generator. So let's get to it. So if you go to your menu, you will click on add-ons, and if you do not have this add-on here called Orange Slice Teacher Rubric, just go ahead, click on add-ons, type in the name of the add-on, and then add it to your add-ons list. So since I already have it added on, I'm going to go ahead and click on Score Rubric, and to the right panel, you will see where Create Rubric will appear. The first thing you will need to do is to identify your performance levels. You will see here where grade, this grade row is here. So I'm going to select my performance level, and I believe I'm going to go with great, good, and otherwise. And now you need to select your categories. When you select your categories, they're not written in stone. These are the default categories, and you can customize them to fit your students and yourself. So I'm going to click on Ideas, Sentence Fluency, always like vocabulary. Since I'm asking for a presentation, I want to click on that, and I want to also select Voice. So I'm going to click on Create Rubric. And once that's created, you will see that the actual rubric has generated right above my learning matrix that I'm sending to the kids. The kids, for the most part, are actually, these links pretend they're not here, because when I send the learning matrix to them, it would be empty. They're going to put in their own links. This is just a sample of what I would like when I push it through Google Classroom. So now you have your rubric, and let's say you push this through Google Classroom, assign it, all kids can have a copy. That's the way you want to send it through Google Classroom. So I'm going to, let's say this student has sent this rubric back, and I'm going to select Score Rubric. So what I will do is I'm going to give it 20%, and then I'm going to put my scores here, and my first one will be 4, this one will be 3, this one will be 2, this one will be 1, and the other will be 0. Select Finish, and now I can score it. So I'm going to give them great for ideas, I'll give them good for sentence fluency, I'll give them great for their vocabulary. Presentation was average, and because of the voice was weak, I'm going to put average. And then I'm going to go ahead and process their grades. Once their grades process, my students, when I send this back to the students, they will see exactly what I selected and gave them their score on. They will also see that this is 15 points out of 20, and that is 75% of their grade. So they can go back through their matrix and look at, okay, I need to improve on X, Y, and Z. And that is Orange Slice, guys. I hope you like it and enjoy the learning.